Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Imelda G. Bagong. My age is 43 years old. My marital status is single with one child. My highest education attainment is high school graduate. I worked as a household helper in the Philippines for 2 years. I served one couple with two children. My duties is cooking, cleaning, and to take care of the children. I worked abroad as a household helper in Lebanon for 13 years and 9 months. I served one couple and two children. My duties are taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning. The most important thing in taking care of the baby are changing the diaper, check the body temperature, and feed the baby. The most important thing in taking care of the child are always check the body if it's sweat, change the clothes, ready the things to go to school. My special skills cooking, cleaning, elderly care, taking good care of the baby and child. The advantage of my future employer if they will hire me are I'm kind, easily learned, trustworthy, caring, hardworking, and responsible. Thank you, ma'am and sir.